Welcome to Pip Insight, Tuesday, 28th July, Asian pre-open. Our engine tracks 27 markets every morning on pipinsight.co.uk, and this session we have selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for gold, you're in the right place. Let's break this one down properly. Heading into the Asian pre-open, gold is sitting at around $4,050, and the structure across all 3 timeframes we track, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute, is pointing in the same direction, lower. This is a moderate bearish bias, and it's been building all week. From the 4,036 hours area on the 22nd of July, we've seen a textbook step-down sequence, lower highs, lower lows, and every rally running out of steam before it can gain any traction. The overhead zone to watch is $4,072 to $4,086. That's where the 4-hour EMAs are converging right now, and it's the same area that capped price during Monday's session before the late sell-off. Below, the support cluster sits between $4,024 and $4,032. That's the most recent swing low floor and the first meaningful structural level if sellers push again. Now, on the fundamental side, there are no high-impact US releases today, which means we're unlikely to see a sharp macro catalyst driving the dollar or triggering safe haven flows in either direction. That could keep gold in a quieter, range-bound mode through the Asian session. Consolidation rather than a clean directional move. So heading into the session, the levels are clear, $4,072 to $4,086 on the top side and $4,024 to $4,032 below. How price reacts at those boundaries is the story to watch. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1417. Support is marked between 1.1364 and 1.1368. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3318 and 1.3328. Support is marked between 1.3282 and 1.3292. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8195 and 0.82. Support is marked between 0.8145 and 0.8153. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.5796 and 0.5802. Support is marked between 0.5767 and 0.57695. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.4128 and 1.4145. Support is marked between 1.4095 and 1.4108. Here is the full chart breakdown. pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside, and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 218.28 and 218.45. Support is marked between 217.46 and 217.58. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We brought you the day's clearest charts from the 27 markets we track daily. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Our flagship analysis publishes every weekday before the London Open, with all 27 markets broken down on pipinsight.co.uk. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.